Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to smoke the absolute perfect turkey breast. Stay tuned. Alright, so before I get started on this cook, I do want to talk about the pellets that I'm going to be using for this cook. As you can see right here on my right, you have some pecan shells, and on my left you have pecan shell pellets. These pellets are 100% made from these pecan shells and nothing else. No binders, no additives, no adhesives, nothing but pecan shells themselves. So one of the questions I often get is how people can get a better smoke flavor out of their pellet smoker. I gotta tell you, I've been using these smoking pecan pellets for quite some time now, and these give off a really good smoky flavor, and a ton of smoke is produced when you use these smoking pecan pellets. Make sure you guys check out the link below and thank them for sponsoring today's video. All right, so let's get started on our turkey breast. I am starting with a 6-pound skin-on turkey breast. I know these can be a little bit difficult to find, but check out your butcher, maybe a restaurant supply store. You can definitely find them there. All I'm gonna do is take off the skin. Sometimes it just pulls right off, but I like to cut it off. Now, read the package when you buy these turkey breasts, because a lot of these, like this one, is already pre-brined. That means that there's a lot of salt on this turkey breast, okay? Now, these turkey breasts are the ones that I use at my food truck, and we don't add any salt. In fact, we have to debrine them or remove some of the salt from that turkey breast themselves. I'm going to show you guys that process of what we do. Alright, so I have a small bowl of water, just cold water, and I'm going to put the turkey breast in there and just mix it around a little bit. It doesn't take a whole lot to remove the salt from the surface of this turkey breast. Now if you want to, you can leave this in water inside your fridge overnight to really remove a lot of the salt from this turkey breast itself. But at our food truck, again, we don't do this. We just rinse it real quick, remove the salt from the surface, and the salt content is perfect, okay? Next, I'm gonna dry up the surface with some paper towels. Doesn't have to be completely dry, but just remove some of the excess moisture. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I visit a barbecue joint, I definitely order the turkey breast, and if it's good, that's gonna tell you the rest of the food is gonna be absolutely delicious. So I'm going to start seasoning the back of this turkey breast first. I've got some granulated garlic, and I add quite a bit of this garlic, okay? Not heavy, but quite a bit. Just like that. Next, I'm adding some 16 mesh black pepper. Sprinkle it on. And again, not too heavy, but enough. 16 mesh black pepper. If you bite into it or you add too much of it, it's kind of potent. It's not like brisket that can take it. Turkey, it's a little delicate, if you will. So just pat that in. You can see exactly how much pepper I added. And again, this is the exact same recipe that I use at my food truck, okay? It's a little pit master secret right here. So flip it over. Again, granulated garlic. Add enough. Again, because this turkey sat inside of a brine, we're not going to be adding any salt. Okay, that's good. Followed by the 16 mesh black pepper. Now when you're laying down your black pepper, you don't want any globs of it, okay? You just want to make sure that it lays down pretty evenly. All right, one last ingredient. I'm going to add some smoked paprika on the top of it, just a little bit. This is from SPQR. Check out the link below. It is absolutely delicious. And again, this is smoked paprika, Spanish style smoked paprika. Just a little bit. Nothing too heavy. Now we use this smoked paprika quite a bit on my food truck. We top our potato salad with it. A lot of our seasonings have this smoked paprika in it. It is absolutely delicious. So I'm going to be smoking this turkey on my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker. But I got to tell you, if you're going to be using an offset, one very important thing that you want to do is do not lay your turkey breast like this inside your smoker. If you notice, it's got a really thick piece over here, and it really thins out on this side right here. So what I do is I like to pick up the turkey breast and tuck that tail in, just like that. That way you end up with a nice, big, round ball of turkey breast. Just touch up the turkey breast with some of these extra seasonings on your cutting board, just like that. All right, I've got my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker running at 250 degrees. I'll see you guys outside. All right, let's load up the turkey breast on the YS640. I'm gonna be smoking this on the top shelf. Slide that shelf out a little bit. Grab the turkey breast. This is going right smack in the middle. Again, make sure you guys tuck the tail of the turkey breast under the turkey breast. That way you end up with a nice round ball of turkey breast. So I'm going to smoke this turkey breast at 250 degrees for 2 hours. We'll come back and get an internal temperature. Stay tuned. All right, so 2 hours later, let's take a look at our turkey breast. Oh yeah, nice and smoky. All right, so I can tell you right now, it's still not ready to wrap. I'm looking for 145 degrees before we wrap. And we're sitting at 102 degrees. Good Lord, look at all that smoke. See what I was talking about, these pellets? It is super smoky. So I'll bring you guys back when this hits an internal temperature of about 140 degrees. Stay tuned. All right, so 3 hours and 45 minutes later, the internal temperature is 143 degrees. Now you want to get the turkey breast to about 140, 145, and that's where we are at right now. It's got a beautiful color to it. So all I'm going to do is take this out. All right, so I'm going to wrap this turkey breast inside some foil paper. All right, so I've got half a stick of melted butter. Just going to pour it on top of our turkey breast. We're going to wrap this up. Now, since we are wrapping this turkey breast in some foil, it's going to cook pretty fast, so make sure you guys keep an eye on it. We're looking for 160 degrees, then we'll pull it off and let it rest for a few minutes. We'll see you guys inside. But look at all this smoke. Smoking pecan pellets, baby. All right, so the turkey breast is ready and the total cook time was 5 hours. I did pull the turkey breast at 160 degrees and I have had it resting for about 10 minutes, but it is still plenty hot. Let's take a look at it and see how we did. Oh yes, look at that. Nice color from those pecan pellets. Yeah, buddy. That is going to be magical. All right, so we got a really nice crust on the outside of this turkey breast. Look at that. Looking absolutely amazing. So we tuck the tail in on this side, okay? So I'm gonna take my slices starting on this side, opposite of the tail, and go all the way through. Should be nice and juicy. Again, make sure you cook your turkey breast or smoke your turkey breast to 160 degrees, not higher. But make sure that you let it rest. You're going to end up with a nice, juicy, and tender turkey breast. The aroma from the simple rub, black pepper, garlic, and that smoked paprika is absolutely amazing. And again, this is exactly how I do it on my food truck. A lot of customers are really loving our smoked turkey breast. Now, if you guys ever come to my food truck, you do get a 1/4 pound of sliced turkey breast with your barbecue platter if you choose turkey breast as one of your meats, which is usually about 2 slices. Man, it is really nice and juicy. Let me get that center slice. Show you guys just how juicy this is. Look at that. Super juicy. Smells amazing. All right, let's see how we did and give this turkey a taste. Stay tuned. All right, let's see how we did on our smoked turkey breast. Look at that smoke ring. Hopefully you guys can see it. But that juiciness is what I want you guys to really pay attention to. See how juicy that is? That's what you get when you pull that turkey at 160 degrees and not take it to 165 degrees and let it dry out on you. That is absolutely gorgeous. And the aroma is absolutely amazing. This turkey pulls apart really nice and easy. There we go. So good. I gotta tell you, the flavor from those pecan shell pellets is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how I like to eat my turkey sandwiches. Gotta start with Wonder Bread, just plain old white Wonder Bread. Get some Duke's mayo. No, I am not sponsored by Duke's. I wish I was. But add enough mayonnaise. On both slices of bread. Add some of that 16 mesh black pepper onto your bread. Get a nice thick slice of tomato, maybe 2 slices. Oh yes. This is a savage sandwich. Grab a slice of turkey, maybe 2 slices. Actually, 1 is good. No, you guys would be mad at me if I only used 1 slice, so let's use 2 slices. Make it a real turkey sandwich. Yes, sir. Let's give this bad boy a try. All right, check out my turkey sandwich. Nice wedge of tomato, freshly smoked turkey on white bread with Duke's mayo. Oh yeah. You guys already know I have the biggest bite on YouTube. There we go. Man, this is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this smoked turkey video. Don't forget to check out Smokin Pecan Pellets and order yourself some of these pecan shelled pellets. If this is your first time to my channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit BBQ. See ya.